Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something super cool and useful. Making your own natural anti-inflammatory oil right at home. Forget those expensive store-bought options, we're going DIY style. And it's gonna be a blast. First things first, why even bother with anti-inflammatory oil? Well, inflammation is basically your body's way of saying, ouch. It's a natural response, but sometimes it gets a bit overzealous. This can be from a tough workout, a nagging ache, or even just the daily grind of life. This oil can help soothe that. It's like a little hug for your body, but in oil form. Let's get started. You'll need some carrier oils, like olive oil or coconut oil. These are the base, think of them as the canvas for your masterpiece. Olive oil is great for general use, while coconut oil offers a lovely scent and some extra benefits. Then, we'll need some anti-inflammatory herbs, the real stars of the show. Turmeric is amazing, boasting a vibrant color and potent properties. Ginger is another rock star, with a spicy kick and a long history of use. Consider adding some rosemary, which is lovely for circulation and a good scent. And maybe a little bit of cayenne pepper, but be super careful with that one, it's spicy. Don't forget some containers to put your oil in, like dark glass bottles to protect the oil from light. Okay, let's get blending. Take your chosen carrier oil and pour it into a clean jar. I recommend using a sterilized jar for best results. Add your herbs. A good rule of thumb is a tablespoon of turmeric and ginger each, but feel free to adjust to your liking. Experimenting to find your perfect mix. Rosemary, maybe a teaspoon will do, and a tiny pinch of cayenne. Now, there are a couple of ways you can make this magic happen. The first is the gentle method, perfect for those who like to take their time. Gently heat the oil with the herbs in a double boiler over low heat for a few hours, ideally around 2 to 3 hours. This slowly infuses the oil, extracting all those lovely properties. The second method is the quick one. Mix the herbs with the oil in a jar, and then let it sit in a dark, cool place, like a cupboard, for a few weeks, shaking it every few days. This also infuses the oil, giving those ingredients time to work their magic. Remember, patience is a virtue, and the longer you wait, the more potent your oil could be. After either method, it's time to strain the oil through a cheesecloth to remove the herbs. This ensures a smooth, easy-to-use oil, free of any bits that might irritate your skin. Pour the strained oil into clean, dark glass bottles. Label your oil with the ingredients and the date, so you know exactly what's inside. And there you have it, your very own natural anti-inflammatory oil. How do you use it? Well, you can rub it on sore muscles, achy joints, or anywhere that feels inflamed. It's also great for your skin, bringing a soothing touch. Always test a small area first to make sure you don't have any sensitivities. It's always better to be safe than sorry. The shelf life can vary, so store it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight, and it should last for a few months, maybe even longer. Keep an eye out for any changes in smell or consistency. Remember, this is a natural remedy, so it's best to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any serious health concerns or before applying to open wounds. I hope you found this useful, and that you're inspired to take charge of your health. Now, go make some oil, experiment with different combinations, and stay healthy. Bye for now.